Welcome Walmart interns to the Sofia, serviced by Dwellworks Living. We're excited to host you this summer. Please be on the lookout for an email from Dwellworks Living with 2 codes that will be used to access black digital keypads throughout the property during your stay. As you enter the main building at the front of the property, to the right of the double glass doors, you will see the black digital keypad. Please enter the code provided, which will be used to access the building, the elevator, and all common areas and amenities. Head to the elevators, and once in the elevator, push your floor number and the same code into the black digital keypad and push your floor number again. This will take you to your apartment floor. Proceed to your apartment number, where you will see the black digital keypad and enter the unique apartment code provided by Dwellworks Living. You will use this code to access your apartment throughout your stay. Lastly, if you're headed to any of the amenity locations, you will enter the same code you used to enter the building. Here we have the Sofia Parlor and the Sofia Fitness Center. We hope you enjoy your stay at the Sofia. Welcome home.